Hello, welcome back. This is Jeff Byers, and we are ready to export our sci-fi low poly weapon textures. So go to File, Export Textures, and we'll go in here, and you can see all my settings in here. And we need to kind of go through and get all this set up. So for dilation infinite, we're just going to go no padding pass-through. Keep it at PNG, 8 bits. We don't want from cache. We do want, let's go ahead and scroll up all the way and then move down slowly until we see PBR metallic roughness. Okay, where do we want to place our textures? Probably a good idea to put them where you are modeling your weapon. So find your project folder and save it into your source images. You're going to take up a lot of space here, especially if you did 4096 by 4096, so make sure that you have enough hard drive space for at least a gig or 2 gigs of, depending on how many UDIM tiles you have. I have over 17, so I'm going to have pretty close to about a gig of textures. I don't know, pretty close to that. So I got to make sure I have that space. So make sure you check that before you export. And when we're done, just go ahead and select folder. You can see all my UDIM tiles are here. That's good news. And then in output templates, we want to click on Arnold UDIM Legacy AI Standard. If you are not using UDIM tiles, you would click on Arnold AI Standard. So right now I'm using UDIM tiles, so make sure you select Arnold UDIM Legacy AI Standard. Okay, great. Everything's here. We're going to ignore probably the emissive and the height math, but we're going to use the normal roughness, metallic, and base color. Okay? We don't want to take them out though. Alright, just leave them where they're at. We'll just ignore those. A list of exports. Everything looks good, so it's telling us which are going to be exported out. That's great. Settings, and all we have to do is click on export. It's pretty simple. And it's going to take a while for all those to export out. That's quite a few UDIM tiles. But it's going pretty fast on my machine, so we'll just watch that little guy go. You don't ever want to click on that. I don't know why they put that down here. I suppose if you want to cancel it right now. But once it's stopped, they still have that on there. So I really don't want to cancel that. I've accidentally selected that by accident, so don't do that. When it's finished, okay, when it's finished, we want to just go ahead, and you don't want to click on cancel, okay? So do you want to save your settings? It depends on if you're going to use this again. Feel free to do that. But right now I'm just going to close that out, and it's done. That's it. So watch the other videos on the crate, how to apply the textures back on the weapon. It's the same process we did with the sci-fi crate. So anyway, have a great week. Good luck with this week, and have fun texturing your weapon. Okay, I'll see you in Module 12.